Today, I'll walk you through exactly how to get started with OneDrive, the cloud storage solution from Microsoft that can make file management smoother, safer, and more flexible. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to set up your OneDrive, sync and back up your files, and get the most out of its sharing features, so you'll be able to access your important documents and photos from almost anywhere. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to sign in to OneDrive. If you already have a Microsoft account, maybe from using Outlook, Xbox, or even a work or school email, you're all set. Just use those credentials to sign in. This helps keep things simple and connects your files with other Microsoft services automatically. If you're brand new to Microsoft, though, don't worry, it only takes a minute to sign up. Head over to the OneDrive website and register for a free Microsoft account. This gives you 5 gigabytes of storage space at no cost, which should be plenty for uploading documents, schoolwork, and everyday photos to get started. Just like having a key to your digital filing cabinet, your Microsoft account is what unlocks OneDrive. Next up, installation. If you're on Windows 11 or 10, you're in luck because OneDrive comes pre-installed on your computer, no extra downloads needed. Simply look for the little cloud icon down in your taskbar, usually near the clock, or search for OneDrive in your Start menu. If you're on a Mac or maybe using your phone, you'll want to download the OneDrive app from the App Store or Google Play. Just follow the prompts, it's very straightforward. Once you've signed into the app, OneDrive will create a special folder on your computer. This step is where the magic of syncing really happens. Any files you put into your OneDrive folder will automatically be uploaded to the cloud and kept in sync across all your devices. So you could drop a presentation into this folder on your laptop, and it'd be ready and waiting next time you open OneDrive on your phone, your tablet, or your work computer. If you've ever lost a file because your computer crashed or you forgot a flash drive, you'll appreciate this peace of mind. There's a powerful backup feature here too. OneDrive can automatically back up your desktop, your documents, and your pictures folders, 3 spots where most of us keep our most essential files. To set this up, look for the PC folder backup option in the OneDrive settings. Just a few clicks and you're safe from accidental deletions and hardware mishaps because all your changes are quietly and continuously synced in the background. Now you're ready to really use OneDrive. You can always access your files from anywhere. Just sign in at Office.com, jump into the OneDrive app, or go to OneDrive.com in your browser. You can upload new files using the Add New button on the web, or simply drag files straight into the OneDrive folder on your desktop. Sharing is equally easy. Select a file, hit Share, and choose whether you want to send a link for viewing or editing, or invite someone by email. It's perfect for collaborating on group projects, sending photos to family, or sharing documents with colleagues. One last tip, keep an eye on those little icons by your files. The blue cloud means a file is online only, a green check means it's synced and available offline, and a person icon tells you it's shared with others. If things look unfamiliar, just hover over the icon for a quick explanation. That's it, you're now set up and ready to take advantage of everything OneDrive offers. If you found this tutorial handy, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or want more tips on OneDrive or anything tech, drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.